Algebra 1 homework, problems 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go. We have 2x squared y to the 4th times 4x squared y to the 4th times 3x over 3x to the negative 3rd power times y squared. Let's rewrite this puppy. First we have 2 times 4 times 3, so I will write that 2 times 4 times 3. Then I have x squared x, and in the denominator I have x to the negative 3. If you're interested in the pure math, ask me on Monday, but x to the negative 3 in the simplest terms means to move it to the other part of the fraction and change the sign. Then we have y to the 4th times y to the 4th. All of that over 3y squared. So all I have done so far is rewrite this expression. That gives me 2 times 4, which is 8. 3 divided by 3 is what? 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 8 times 1, x squared times x squared times x cubed is x squared times x squared. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So I have 8x to the 8th and here I have y to the 4th times y to the 4th, which is y to the 8th, divided by y squared. That would give me y squared divided by y squared, which is what? That would be 1. Leaving me with y squared times y to the 4th. So my final answer is 8x to the 8th, y to the 6th. My denominator is 1, but I don't really need that. There's my answer. If we're careful and show plenty of work, we're in good shape. Okay, what do we have for number 6? We have 2y cubed times 3x times y cubed over 3x squared y to the 4th. Okay, we have 2 times 3, I'm writing that first, 2 times 3, times x times y cubed times y cubed over 3x squared y to the 4th. I think I'm going to expand some terms. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So my numerator right now is 2 times x times y times y times y times y times y times y. My denominator is x times x times y times y times y times y. What's left? I have 2. X divided by x is 1. Y divided by y is 1. Y divided by y is 1. Y divided by y is 1. Oh look, y divided by y is 1. So my final answer here is 2 times y squared, y times y, all over x. Hang in, these are getting easier, aren't they? Here I have x cubed times x cubed, x to the 6th y cubed over 4x squared. X to the 6th over x squared gives me x to the 4th y cubed all over 4. And there is nothing else to be done with that. Number 8, we have 3x squared y squared over 2x to the negative 1 gives me an extra x in my numerator. 2 times 4 times y times x squared. That is the same as 3x squared times x times y squared over 2 times 4 is 8 times x squared times y, which is the same as 3 times x times y, and we're done. Do you see how I did that? Now see, I tried to get cute and I almost left out a term. 2 times 4 is 8, so I have 3 over 8. X squared over x squared is 1. This x remains here. Y squared is the same as y times y. My denominator has a y in it. Y over y is equal to 1. So my final answer is 3 times x times y over 8. And that is my answer to problem 8.